Welcome back. This is part 3, and it's going to be a very short segment. 2 remaining slides, I believe, of this last part. So the end of the conquistadors was around the 1540s, when these men, very powerful, very wealthy, from subjugating and colonizing these different areas, they continued to find more native people and use them, enslave them into getting precious metals, etc. And so here you see native workers being forced to work in silver mines. Eventually, these men became so powerful that the Spanish crown either bribed them to retire or had them killed by enemies. And then these conquistadors were replaced by crown-appointed officials so that Spain could better monitor how much income they were receiving from the colonies. So much of it wasn't being drained off by these powerful conquistadors. So by the 1540s, this is when silver mines had become a major source of income for Spain, especially when the conquistadors had been forced out of the picture. So again, as you can see here, native populations were forced to work in these mines, and eventually being accompanied by enslaved Africans and then very impoverished European workers as well. And that is where we're ending. So we do have universal concepts here. Again, these are things you can use in your final paper. So we have plague, propaganda, and genocide. If you have not already done so, I did post in the Start Here module a brief, well, not so brief really, explanation of many assignments that will be coming up in this course. I want you to be able to plan for those. So I've included a lot of details. So go ahead and take a look at that if you have not already done so. And enjoy the rest of week 2. Thank you. See you guys next time.